Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to build part 7-04, left-hand side plate, and 7-05, the right-hand side plate for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 7-04, left-hand side plate, and we're also going to build part 7-05, the right-hand side plate, because they are similar. We just got to do a slight change, and still building the whole thing, we're just going to do the change. So let me go into File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, we're going to go to Right Plane, Sketch. Going to grab the line tool, going to start point there, going to go out, up, going to do, not that way, thank you. That's going to go around, let me just go up a minute, and back down. Let me actually delete that one. Put these two together. There we go. And that line and the circle line straight will be tangent. There we go. Beautiful. All right, that's the dimensions. Let's do the circle first, which is dimension of. Oh, hold on. Let me delete this one. It's actually not a straight circle. Let me do. Oh, not that one. Sorry, that one. Come on. Okay, go there. Wouldn't do what I wanted. There we go. Now we want this one to go round. That one and that one will be joined. Those two will be tangent. There we go. These two lines here will be vertical. And these 2 points here will be vertical. And we do want a straight line from there to there. Now this line, this curved line, thank you. Will be tangent as well as well these two. There we go. And those two there will be joined. Okay, let's start doing some dimensions. So this is going to be 27 radius. Yep. Sorry, 127. Beautiful. Let's see now. It's going to be 152, 152. Whoa. Oops. Bring that in a bit. There we go. Ooh. Yeah, I might have made it a bit bigger than I meant to. The height is 462. Oh yeah, 462. Yep, that's fine. If we grab this point here, there we go. Now we got the top part. What's width is that? It shows this part sticking out further. That's fine. Oh, I see. Oh, try again. So I can move that one down. So if I do smart dimension from the bottom here to this point is 301.4. Then these 2 points are 33.6. Locked in almost. This point to this point is 79. There we go. Fully defined. Cool, actually. Yeah, works out perfect, that one. Wonder where the measurement can come from, but way all these work out, it does automatically. Yeah, this one here, it's not like that. That's perfect. Okay, so it's going to be a thickness of 2.5. So feature 2.5, mid-plane. Okay. Perfect. Now, we're going to resave this as a the second part. Let's go File, Save As. That's going to be 707-05, sorry. Right hand. There we go. This is right hand one. So on this side, thank you. Normal, sketch. It's gonna be a rectangle. Actually, hold on before we do. Oh, hold on. It's gonna be a rectangle. Actually, yeah, it's gonna be like a square tubing. But we'll start here first. Let's put this in. Dimension, which is going to be, I've lost it. There it is. 102. 102. It's going to be 19 by 19. So if we do 19 that way. Yeah, the other 19 got extruded out. Before we do that, we need to position it, which is going to be 144 from the bottom. Yep, from there to there, 144. And it's going to be 19 from this point to that point. That should be 19. That's going to extrude out by 19. Yeah, 19. There we go, beautiful. Now, as said, this should be a square tubing. So we're going to sketch on that one. Was square in there. Dimensions. That is 2.6. So from there to there, it's got to be 2 mil. 2 mil. 2 mil. 2 mil. That's going to be feature, extrude cut. Oh, another one, sorry. Through all and done. There we go. That's what we want. Now, before we do the next one, let's go in here first. Let's make sure it's correct. So we want bring in the right hand one. We'll be facing the wrong way, wouldn't it? No big deal. Not a big deal. So we want mate. That side, but we want to rotate it. Flip. There we go. So that piece there should be against, we go a bit closer, that one. Up and do it again. Mate. To there. Ooh, through there. So let me try something. If I do mate again, that piece to that one. Oh, there you go. That's good. Oh. Oh. That's bent. That's going to be bent to match that. Oh. Realize that. Ain't the top part. Top part, we need bend that one to suit that one. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so if we open up, that's 2 pieces, isn't it? Is it? No, I don't think it is. Let me open up that one. Okay. So if we go to evaluate, measure, if I do there, will that give me a percentage? No, it won't. Okay, let me do something. Let me go to feature. Yeah, measuring. Thank you. I want to go normal 2. Where did I go normal 2? What's going on? Normal 2. There we go. That's what I was after. Okay, so if I go sketch, if I go to smart dimension, okay, need to put a line first. So we'll do a line from there to there to there. There you go. And that is going to be 165 degrees. We just undo all that. I don't need that. There we go. Save that, make sure. Okay, so let's open up this one. Okay, what dimension is that from there? Let me go to evaluate, measure. From that point to that point is 26 millimeters. Okay, perfect. 26. So if we go to normal, sketch, actually I don't want to break it yet. Okay, if I do that one, if I bend it, I've got to think about a few things on that. So let me open up, open recent, left hand, there we go. So now we want this side. We want to go to sketch, normal 2 sketch, my apologies, rectangle. And again, that's going to be, where are we? 19 by 19 by 102. So 102, 19. That was 141 from the bottom. Oh, nope. What am I meant to do? Bottom, thank you. 141. And it's going to be 19 from there to there. 19. Through that by 19. And then normal, sketch. Now we're going to do rectangle. So I'm going to do a little bit different this time. I'm going to go 2 mil there, 2 mil there. I'm going to do this one 19 minus 2 minus 2, which should be 15 and 15. Works out the same. There we go. That's going to be feature, extrude cut, through all, and done. Okay, let's, not that one, that one, thank you. Let's pop that one in, see what it looks like. Let's see, oh, wrong one. We want assembly, thank you. Insert components, going to be left-hand side. Facing the wrong way. Oh man, did well, didn't I? That's fine. There, but it's going to flip. And it's going to be... Oh, let's zoom out. Thank you. That face to that face. And it's going to be... Oh, that face to that face. Oh man, I was thinking, why didn't it go invisible? That's why. Helps. Definitely does help. There we go. And beautiful. And that piece that needs to be turned too. All right, I got to think about that. I'm thinking of going on top and creating a piece down. I'm thinking of just cutting it off, but then have this piece a separate file put in there. Ooh, there's so many ways you can do it. Now, take this one piece in the model. You know, I'm going to come back to that later. I'll think about that. I'll try to get these other episodes out. So that will be another video later on where I'm going to go through that, where I'll be fixing other things I know it's got to be fixed in the model. So will, yep. So I think that definitely will be on that. Okay, so that's parts 7-04 left-hand side panel and 7-05 right-hand side panel for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. I closed the end of the door. Oops, my bad. No worries. I'll see you next episode. Appreciate support. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.